Welcome back to our trackers tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at assigning the markers. You should at this point already have tripped your video and you should have a reference marker at this point. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, for now, focus on the knee. This is applicable to all the markers, but for this video I will just be doing the knee. First thing we do is go to track, new, point of mass. And we want to click on the edge of the marker. We hold Control Shift or Command Shift if you're on the Mac. And you want to kind of get the edge of the marker, kind of half of the white, half of the black, or half of whatever color you used. This is because a tracker uses RGB values to determine its positioning. So having it on that edge makes it more reliable. So it's going to bring up this window, and this is basically going to be searching for that position through all the frames of reference. So what we're going to want to do is go frame by frame and make sure it's matching up with what we're telling it to match up with. So I'll hit search next. And you see the knee didn't really move, so we didn't get much movement of the marker. Now click a few times, searching next. You can see every frame the knee moves slightly and the marker moves slightly. So we just want to make sure that marker follows that knee position perfectly. So I'll keep going. And it looks like we lost it there. You see it saying way down here, or we just can't find it. So what you can do is just mark it yourself. So you hold Shift, you click on where you think the marker's at. I think it's about right there. And that makes it onto the next frame. After this, it might just be easier to mark it yourself. So again, it gets blurry, so you're gonna have to make estimations. So right there is what I'd guess. One more time, right there. And right there. Oops. Right there. And that is our last frame. So we are now done with that one. And again, when I'm clicking them, I'm holding Shift. And that's giving me the ability to create markers. So once you go ahead and have this labeled, we're going to change the name of our mass A. We're going to name that knee.